Hey everyone, we're going to look at the Oukitel P2001 Plus in depth today, a dependable and potent portable charging station, with no noise or inconvenience from gasoline generators. The Oukitel P2001 Plus claims to keep your gadgets operating smoothly, whether you're dealing with a power outage at home, or require a stable power source outside. Impressively, the Oukitel P2001 Plus has a nominal power of 2400 watt, and can withstand surges of up to 4800 watt. This power reserve makes your apartment a good option for emergency preparedness, because it guarantees that your unit can be completely powered for up to 8 hours during an outage. This station has many USB-CPD ports ranging from 20 to 100 watt, 2 USB ports supporting Quick Charge 3.0, and 4 220 volts AC connectors. In addition, there are 2 DC 5521 outputs at 33 watt each, and a 120 watt cigarette lighter plug, providing flexible possibilities for charging an array of gadgets. The Oukitel P2001 Plus is a sturdy device that weighs 22 kilograms and has dimensions of 399 by 285 by 330 millimeters. Its appearance combines plastic and aluminum alloy. Because of its resistance to impact, UV rays, fire, corrosion, shocks, and extreme temperatures, the construction ensures that it will function dependably even under challenging circumstances. With negligible degradation, the P2001 Plus may last up to 5,000 life cycles when powered by a 2048 watt-hour battery. The battery's longevity and safety are increased by the BMS, which offers protection against overcharging, overvoltage, short circuits, and excessive temperatures. The station may be charged using a variety of outlets, including regular power outlets, solar panels with a 1000 watt capacity, and car charging. While solar charging takes roughly 2 hours, full charging from an electric outlet takes about 1.5 hours. The charging period can be cut down to just 1 hour by combining the two techniques. Additionally, the station uses MPPT technology to maximize the effectiveness of solar charging, leading to conversion rates that are up to 23% higher. The Oukitel P2001 Plus can be linked to your smartphone with a specific app that is compatible with both iOS and Android operating systems. This adds even more convenience by enabling remote monitoring and control of the station, power setting adjustments, and low battery alerts. The station can be used outdoors in the rain, dirt, or snow because each connector is covered. Personnel in the armed forces or emergency services who need a dependable power supply in difficult situations would especially benefit from this capability. The Oukitel P2001 Plus has shown to be a dependable and high-performing power station after several days of testing. It is simple to travel and operate in a variety of situations, thanks to its robust construction and comparatively light appearance. Although it may not be the most portable choice for regular office usage, it is perfect for outdoor activities like camping and serving as a backup power source at home. For prolonged periods of time, the station reliably delivered high power output that was stable for a number of devices. For those searching for a durable and effective power station, its broad range of ports and quick charging capabilities make it a flexible option. In conclusion, the Oukitel P2001 Plus is a strong, dependable, and potent charging station that distinguishes itself with its many connection possibilities, high autonomy, and intuitive functions. I heartily suggest this station, regardless of whether you're going camping or experiencing a power outage. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more tech reviews if you found this one to be helpful. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the future video. Have a nice day and God bless you.